Hello everyone, this video introduces the feature to KML function in the vector conversion tool. This function is used to convert a feature class to a KML file, and all KML files are created in the WGS84 coordinate system. LiDAR360MLS software supports only point, line, and polygon features in KML. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Feature to KML tool. Double-click to open the function window. At the Input Features section, select the feature class you wish to convert to KML. Then, check the fields you want to include in the export. Finally, at the Output File section, set the storage path and file name. After completing the settings, click OK to export. That's all for the introduction to the Feature to KML function. Thank you for watching.